Hello, my dear YouTubers! Natalia with you, your insider and travel guide from Belarus. Today is the 1st of May, Labor Day, so happy Labor Day! I went with my friends for hiking and camping in the forest, so for me it's the opening of camping season 2022. I enjoy this weather so much, and we just slept on the bank of river Vilia. We had a nice evening at the fire, and yesterday we covered 15 kilometers in the forest area. And I understand that I want to share these nature vibes with you. I'm so excited to be out of the city and cannot hide it from you. So we'll share with you my beautiful weekend, the beginning of this wonderful camping season. Hope that you will enjoy it. I will show you how it started from Minsk. If your morning starts at a railway station, it means that your day is going to be awesome. We bought our tickets for our electric train, which is one of the cheapest way to discover our country. My ticket cost me $1. Can you imagine? And now you will see our electric train. It is, of course, it is not the fastest way to reach any place you want, but it's a kind of an awesome experience. And you can see real Belarus. Feel our local atmosphere. So what can I say, guys? It's awesome. Just wonderful, active time. I love this lifestyle. If you feel the same, I'm always ready to share such moments with you if you come to Belarus.
Это было бы ужасно. Да, я был. Это повальная трагедия. Vilia трагедия.
Just listen to the nature. So, my dears, the best season just started in Belarus. So I wish you can come this year to Belarus to enjoy this wonderful nature. You know, in my life I had enough experience to stay at 5-star hotels, a luxurious level with soft beds and prosecco in the morning. Voila! This is my home for this night. But with the time I understood that my state of happiness doesn't depend on how comfortable the place is. Being close to nature and sleeping in a tent brings a lot of joy to my life. And this experience is so valuable to me. I feel I am alive. Such moments of the mornings are my favorite during camping. All the problems are left behind and I'm enjoying
the real nature. We cook food on the fire. Even coffee cooked here is the most delicious for me.
You know, I woke up this morning and had a nice walk in this beautiful forest, listening the singing of the birds. It's so wonderful. It's definitely a recharging place for me. There are butterflies and birds. Amazing. And no mosquitoes. You know, I love this time of the year, spring, when the nature already awoke, but no mosquitoes, and you can enjoy this wonderful time here. My dears, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bottom like if you really enjoy watching my video. It will help me to make my channel more visible in the future. Listen to these sounds of the forest.
Можно прилечь.
Да. The most delicious fruits are fruits when you come.
Даша тоже не курила сигареты, а стал курить.
Это вот твое плохое влияние.
Я
Ангелочка, как там с водой у нас?
Вова мне говорит,
Ангела.
может...
Guys, it's awesome to be in the forest during this wonderful sunny day. To remind you, 1st of May, Labor Day, and we spent this day in this beautiful forest with our nice team. I can say that it's a kind of a therapy by nature. If you have any stress, if you are busy at work and you need some days to recover your nerve system, the best idea is to go to the forest. So this is exactly what I do quite often during summertime in Belarus. So guys, if you are in Belarus and you wanna try this type of experience of trekking and camping in the forest, drop me a line below this video, and probably next time when I plan to go to such a beautiful place or another place, I will take you. What do you think? Our local barista.
Улыбнись, бариста.
How much is your coffee?
2 euro.
2 euro.
Here.
Too expensive.
He can ask for even 10. We found a wonderful place, like a desert in the middle of forest. I will show it to you right now.
Да, посмотреть.
Guys.
Это надо на это время, конечно.
Awesome.
Большой, чтобы...
Little break. Drink water, to eat some snacks, which we took. Quite extremely.
Давай, 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 давай.
So
Олесь
our
справится, он молодец.
a little bit of extreme at the end of our trekking because we are catching electric train here, which goes only three times a day. I will show you this electric train. Oh my god. We arrived just in time, can you imagine? Or otherwise we will have to stay here till tomorrow. Finally, we will try to find our place.
Нет, давай, там дальше коробки эти.
Так, Ангелишка.
Я вижу.
Almost 2 hours and a half to Minsk. Fine. Где мы будем здесь? So my dears, I hope that you enjoy traveling with me virtually and explore off-beaten path of Belarus. So stay on the channel, stay with me. I'm waiting for your comments down below this video. Would you like to see some more places? What do you think about our trip to the countryside? Don't forget that you can support my channel if you like. So see you on the roads.